In this interview, you'll hear from two legendary investors, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. They were asked a very interesting question: if they could add one additional sector or asset class to their circle of competence, which would it be and why? Both gentlemen provide their insights and opinions on the matter. As two of the most successful investors in history, their responses are sure to be insightful and informative for anyone interested in investing or expanding their knowledge on different sectors. So, sit back, relax, and listen to the wisdom of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger.
Mr. Buffett and Mr. Munger, if you were going to live another 50 years, and we sincerely hope you do, and could add one additional sector or asset class to your circle of competence, which sector would it be and why?
Well, that's a very good question, and I particularly like the preamble. Well, you would certainly pick a sector that's large, because it isn't going to make any difference to Berkshire if we get to be experts on some tiny little industry or business. I would say that it would have to be something in the. This isn't going to happen, but if I could really become expert, and I mean really expert, knowing more than almost anybody else about the subject in the tech field, I think that would be terrific. It isn't going to happen, but it's going to be a huge field. There are likely to be, a few enormous winners, a lot of disappointments, so that the ability to pick the winners, is far disproportionate to the ability to pick the winners, we'll say, among major integrated oil companies, where they're sort of all equated in price. And you're not going to have a big edge in trying to pick Chevron against Exxon, against Continental, and Occidental, and you name it. But the degree of disparity in results among larger tech companies in the future is likely to be very, very dramatic.
Warren Buffett's response highlights the importance of investing in what you know and have expertise in. As they mentioned, they would choose a sector that is large and has the potential for significant disparity in results, such as the tech field. However, they also admitted that they are not the best people to develop the necessary expertise in these areas. This reinforces the idea that investors should focus on investing in areas where they have a competitive advantage and a deep understanding. By investing in what they know, investors can make more informed decisions and potentially outperform the market. It's important to conduct thorough research and analysis before investing in any asset class or sector to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance.
And if I had the skills where I could pick the winners there, I would do a lot better than if I had the skills to pick the winners in the major integrated oil field. You probably will have better luck with Charlie on this one, because he knows a lot more about a lot of industries than I do. Charlie, what's your answer?
Well, it would either be tech or energy. And I think that we're the wrong people to develop the expertise. I think if we were going to do it, it would have already happened.
Yeah.
Now, I do think we might identify somebody else who has abilities that we lack. That's been very hard for us, but
we're not going to tell you.
but we've done a little better lately.
It's a good question. Andrew?
In conclusion, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger were asked what additional sector or asset class they would add to their circle of competence if they could live another 50 years. Buffett mentioned that if he could become an expert in the tech field, he would do much better in picking the winners compared to other industries. Munger also suggested either tech or energy, but admitted that they may not be the right people to develop expertise in any new sector at this point. Overall, their responses offer insight into their investment philosophy and the importance of having a deep understanding of the industries in which one invests. If you enjoyed this video, please share it and hit the subscribe button for more insights from Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger.